Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use CareCredit at Walmart, how you can purchase a product by using your CareCredit. Right, so here we are into this website of Walmart here, and first of all we have to select the product which we want to purchase. So this is just for an example, this is a product which I want to purchase. I will click on add to cart and our product has been added to cart. Now here we will click on view cart, and for example in the view card it will show all the orders which you want to purchase, and here on the right side you can see the amount and everything. Now here you have to click on continue to checkout, and once you click here it will ask your login info, and once you're logged in into your account you will able to purchase your account, purchase the product. Now here they will ask you the payment details. So the payment details will require your care credit details, so here you have to fill it up, and then you will able to purchase that product. You will order that product on Walmart. Now there's another way which you can do it. Basically you can use your care credit card offline, so you can just visit the Walmart physical store and there you can just purchase and you can pay there just like a normal credit card, right? So I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.